Hello dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can recover your deleted contact on the mobile phone. Because sometimes we delete our contact by mistakenly. So don't worry, in this video, I will show you how you can recover your contact very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. Then firstly, I will go to my contact, and here you can see my contact. I am deleting here some contact, and I will show you how you can recover it. I am deleting my 4 contact, and then go back to contact, and then you will see 3 dots on top right. Click on it, and then you will see recycle bin. Click on it, and you can see there are contact which I have deleted. So if I want to recover it, then click it, and if I want to recover all contact, then click on all contact. So then click on restore all contact. So you can see there is no any contact, all these contact. If first method will not work, then use the second method. I am deleting some contact again. I will show you how you can recover it by second method. So then go to Play Store, and then write here Google Contact, and then you will see this application Contact Google LLC. Install it and then open it. Then you will see setting options. Click on it, and then you can see undo changes at the last. Then tap on it. Then choose the account on which you have your contact. So choose your contact, and then you can see undo all change made from any point in the last 30 days. Undo change from 10 minutes, 1 hour, yesterday, 1 week, and if you want to select custom, you can select dates, hour and minutes. So select it according to you. I am selecting 1 hour ago, and then click on confirm options. Then click on OK. Then I will go back. Then click on contact, and here wait some second, and you can see those contact which I have deleted. These are those contact, and these contact has been recovered. If your contact on the multiple Gmail, then again click on fix and manage, then click on setting, and then again click on undo changes, and then select your Gmail on which you want to recover your contact. After selecting Gmail, then select the time according to you. After selecting time, click on confirm options. So click on it. So again go back. When you will click on contact, and your contact will be recovered. So guys, in this way, by following these 2 steps, you can easily recover your all deleted contacts from the phone. If this video is helpful for you, please give like this video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.